So now we are talking about alternate medicines in the world. Much talks are going on. Instead of just talking about alternate medicines, alternate healing, alternate treatment, we need to understand the alternate ways for the factors that are causing diseases first. We discussed about so many factors that are causing diseases. We need to find alternative first for them. Then we think of alternate medicine. No point in not changing this aspect, let it be like this forever, not changing the lifestyle and adapting some alternative medicine system will not help much in the long run. This is what part of the Atma healing is, that by discussing about Atma healing, we are finding a permanent way. It's a permanent solution, Atma healing. That's why I'm not coming just sitting in front of you, come on, okay, we will move the body like this, we do some practices like this, I will give you some symbol to you, follow the symbol, this is healing, that's all, I go home. No, I'm not interested in that. That is my last part. We are going to do it in the evening. Before going to that part of symboling, signing, energizing, we need to do some homework. Changing the root itself. Foundation, checking the foundation, the cause of diseases first, so that we can be healthy throughout our lifetime. Hence, we spend a lot of time in the beginning to elaborate. There are so many other factors also, I leave it to you. You introspect for yourself. You check for yourself, write down like this, note down every day. What are the factors I am creating for myself to create a disease in this body? You write down everything. Let it be your main book. Read every day. Find alternative for everything. This is alternative approach for alternative medicine. Before you go into alternative medicine, we need to do this homework. That's why Atma healing is not just a session of few hours learning something, implementing on somebody to heal someone. No. It's like a lifelong process. It's changing the lifestyle completely, so that healing becomes permanent. On point of time, you don't have to heal at all. Drop the healing idea. Withdraw the doctor.
Because when you have your thoughts on something negative and you say write it down, what do you do
Yeah.
wrong?
No, in general you write down. You don't have to go very detailed into everything. Okay, I have too much of negative thoughts, one point. I am eating this unnecessarily. I am eating more quantity. I am eating wrong food. You write down first. Let it be a mirror for you.
Is it not better that you say I eat healthy food?
Yes. If you eat unhealthy, change it to healthy immediately. Don't delay. If you go to general store, you will find only unhealthy food there, because their intention is to create disease in the world so that they will sell their medicine. There is a big business going on. Be aware of this. A group of people in the world, they have a strong plan to capture big money, to make the people sick. You need to understand this. You have to find your own shop. Ask her, she is expert in that. Which shop you have to buy what. Fake. You go to your supermarket, so-called supermarket, 90% of the products are fake products with full of white sugar. Sugar market, it is not supermarket. Sugar market. Hardly you will find few products without this poisonous sugar. The white sugar is one product is enough to kill the whole humanity.